Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as Vice Principal and Head of the Maths Department, Giraffe Learning. Before I start up the session, before I start the YouTube session, let me tell you about Unacademy Plus subscription, guys. These are the best plans for KCET 2020 as 2021 aspirants. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month, and 6 months it's 10125, that is 1688 per month, and then per month 2250. Enter this referral code, that is KALEEMLIVE, you get 10% discount. You get all this, guys, premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, that is daily practice papers, full length mock, etc. Single subscription for unlimited access. So if you are new here, guys, welcome to Unacademy. Welcome to this YouTube live session, Unacademy free YouTube live session, guys. If you are new here, subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my other classes as well. And to watch my free live classes and YouTube free live classes and plus classes, alright, watch that description box. It is given, link is given below, and follow that. You can watch my free live classes and free live classes in Unacademy platform. Alright, let us start, guys. So we have done. I'll remind about the subscription once again at the end of my session. Okay, we were doing PYQs of KCET and Comet MCQs on limits, continuity, and differentiability. This is the fourth class, right? Fourth session, guys, and we have done around 32 sessions, 32 questions in the first three sessions. Right. So let me start from here. Yeah, I have done up to 31, 32. Right. I should start from 33. So question number 1, guys, here we begin for the today's class. I'm supposed to differentiate cos inverse of, just a sec. Okay, so I'm going to differentiate cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 with respect to cos inverse of x. That is differentiating a function with respect to another function. I'm going to take y is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. And z is equal to cos inverse of x. Right? I should differentiate y with respect to z. That is, I am supposed to find out dy by dz. Okay, I'm supposed to find out what is dy by dz. dy by dz, right? We know that 2 cos inverse of x, if it is lies in the domain, standard formula, right? X lies between minus 1 plus 1. 2 cos inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 when x is positive. Okay, so I'm going to use the formula, guys. Cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 will be equal to 2 cos inverse of x. Right, now if I differentiate, dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. This is dy by dx. Okay, and then dz by dx is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Right? So this is dz by dx. Yeah, Tanuf, welcome to class. Good morning. Diksha, just check once again. Right, I doubt your option is C. Just check once. So I got dy by dx, I got dz by dx, guys. Now let me do it here. So I can write dy by dx. Dy by dz can be written as dy by dx upon dz by dx. Right, dy by dx will be equal to minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This will cancel minus as well. Answer will be equal to plus 2. Answer is option D. So okay, guys, yeah. So you get answer option D, right? So answer will be +2. Let's move to the next question. The function represented by the graph. Okay, we all know this, guys. Whenever you have f of x is equal to mod x, you get a sharp edge at 0. Modulus of x, you get sharp edge at 0. Right? It's a V-shaped graph and you get a sharp edge at 0. This is y is equal to x and this line is y is equal to minus x. Right? We all know that mod x is continuous. There's no break in the graph. Mod x is continuous but not differentiable at x is equal to 0. But not derivable or differentiable at x is equal to 0 because you get a sharp edge. If you get a sharp edge, obviously not differentiable, guys. Mod x, there is no, mod x is a V-shaped graph and you get a sharp edge at 0. There's no break in the graph. So mod x is continuous but not differentiable at 0 because you get a sharp edge at 0. Right? So same logic. If I look into this question, the function represented by this graph is, right, so this is actually y is equal to modulus of y is equal to modulus of x minus 1, right? You get sharp edge at 1, right? You get a sharp edge at 1, so it is continuous but not differentiable at x is equal to 1 because you get a sharp edge at 1. So it's continuous but not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Answer is option A. There's no break in the graph. Is it okay, guys? So there's no break in the graph, it's continuous but not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Tan inverse of x square plus y square equal to alpha, what is dy by dx? Right? So don't differentiate directly. This tan inverse I'm going to shift on the right side. This becomes x square plus y square, okay, is equal to tan inverse. If I shift on the right side, you get tan alpha. Right, now let us differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. And differentiation of tan alpha is a constant because it is 0. Right, alpha is a constant, tan alpha will be a constant. So from this I can write 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. I'm going to cancel 2 and 2. Okay. I'm going to take dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y. So dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y. Answer is option T. Right, guys, let's move to the next question. Question number 36. This is 2014, KCET 2014 question. Right, it's a miscellaneous question of NCERT as well. It's a small question, right? So if I want to differentiate a determinant, guys, right, let me do it here. Right, follow carefully. Y is equal to determinant of first row will be equal to fx, gx and hx. Okay, second row will be equal to lmn. This is L, this will be m, this will be n, and last row will be equal to abc. Right, now let us differentiate. dy by dx is equal to determinant of, okay, differentiate the first row. You get this as f dash of x, g dash of x, h dash of x. Differentiate the first row. Keep the second row, last row as it is. Second row will be equal to lmn. Third row will be equal to abc. Okay, again I put plus, right, a determinant. Right, I'm going to differentiate the second row. Keep the first row as it is. This is equal to fx, right, gx and hx. Advait, can we discuss at the end of my session just 2 minutes? Okay, at the end of my session I will talk to you, Advait. Chat with me, be live. Is it okay? Are you there, Advait Pai? At the end of my session, just 5 minutes, 11:30, we will discuss about this. So I differentiated the first row, guys. Keep the second row and third row as it is, right? Now I'm going to differentiate the second row. Keep the first row, last row as it is. So second row is a constant, lmn a constant, so 0, 0, 0. and then I'm going to keep this as ABC. Alright, plus the determinant of, right? So I'm going to keep the first row and second row as it is. This is equal to fx, okay, and then gx and hx. Okay, f of x and g of x, and then this is equal to h of x. And then the second row will be equal to lmn, right? Now differentiate the third row, this will be equal to 0, 0 and 0. So that is, if I want to differentiate a determinant, right, differentiate the first row, keep the second row, last row as it is. Differentiate the second row, and keep the first row and last row as it is. Again put plus. Differentiate the third row and keep the first row and second row as it is. So all 0 property, this will be 0. Right, even this fellow will be 0. So you will get this as f dash, g dash, h dash, lmn, abc. Answer will be equal to option A only. Yes guys, let's move to the next question. The question is y is equal to log of log x. What is double derivative? Okay, let me do it. Y is equal to log of log x. So if I differentiate dy by dx is equal to differentiation of log x is 1 by log x. Okay, differentiation of log x is 1 by log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So I can write this as dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x into log x. Right, so this is dy by dx, guys. But I'm supposed to find the double derivative now. So if I differentiate once again, that is if I use chain rule, differentiation of 1 upon x is minus 1 by x square. Right, so if I differentiate once again, d square y by dx square is equal to differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x log x the whole square. And then d by dx of x log x. I'm just using chain rule, guys, into d by dx of x log x. Right, now that's equal to minus 1 upon x log x the whole square. Okay, and then differentiation of x. First function differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus second function is log x, and then differentiation of x is 1. This will cancel. This will be equal to minus 1 plus log x divided by x log x the whole square. So that's the answer, guys. Minus of 1 plus log x upon x log x the whole square. Answer is option B. So okay, good question. A simple one only. Alright, just differentiate twice, guys. You will get the answer as minus of 1 plus log x upon x log x the whole square. Let's move to question number 38. Good question. Right, this is a KCET question which is there in NCERT exemplar. Right, it's an exercise question of NCERT exemplar. X power y is equal to e to the power of x minus y. Right, whenever the exponent is repeat chain rule, yeah. How do you use chain rule? Who's this? Yeah, Advait. How do you use chain rule, Advait? What is differentiation of 1 by x? Yeah, see, differentiation of 1 by x is normal second PUC differentiation, right? Differentiation of 1 by x will be equal to minus 1 by x square, right? Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, right? When you have, suppose, differentiation of 1 by fx, differentiation of 1 by fx will be equal to minus 1 by fx the whole square, right? Into d by dx of fx. So same formula. Otherwise you use quotient rule, you still get the same answer. Yeah. So otherwise no problem. If you forget that, you use quotient rule. You understand? But chain rule is something which you should never forget. Chain rule you will use this in differentiation, you will use in applications of derivative, and you will use this in integration. Chain rule is very basic of calculus. You should know chain rule. Right? So if I differentiate, differentiation of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x log x the whole square, right? And then you get d by dx of x log x. Now this will be equal to minus 1 by x log x the whole square. Okay, and then first function is x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, plus second function is log x, differentiation of x is 1. This will cancel. You will get minus of 1 plus log x upon x log x the whole square. Right? Otherwise, no issues. You can use quotient rule. You still get the same answer. Just use u by v. If you use differentiation u by v rule, that is quotient rule, you still get the same answer. Okay, guys. So see, whenever the exponent is a function of x, right? Whenever the exponent is a function of x, we will use logarithmic differentiation. Okay. Now I'm going to take log on both these sides. Log of x to the power of y, okay, is equal to log of e to the power of log of e power x minus y. Just take log on both the sides, guys. Now let us use logarithmic differentiation. Log m power n, log m power n is equal to n log m, right? In calculus, it is understood when you take log, it is to the base e only, right? So when you have n log m is equal to log m power n. So if I use this property of log x power y can be written as y into log x. Okay, and then log m power n is equal to n log m. You can write this as x minus y into log e to the base e. Log e to the base e is 1. Logarithm of a positive real number to the same base is always 1. Log e to the base e is 1. Similarly, log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Logarithm of a positive real number to the same base is always 1. So log 2 base 2 is 1. So this can be written as y into log x. Y into log x to base e is equal to x minus y. Right now, minus y I'm going to shift on the left side. So this becomes, you can differentiate this as with this as well, but substitution is required a bit lengthy. So that's why make y a function of x. Shift on the left side to get y plus y into log x. Y into log x is equal to x. I'm going to take y common. You will get this as 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x is equal to x. So this becomes y is equal to x divided by 1 plus log x. Y is equal to x divided by 1 plus log x. This is y a function of x. So okay, guys, now you use quotient rule. U by v, dy by dx is equal to denominator is 1 plus log x. Okay, differentiation of numerator is 1. Right, minus numerator is x. If I differentiate denominator, it is 0 plus 1 by x. By denominator, the whole square is 1 plus log x the whole square. Right, cancel this x and x as well. So I can write this as dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x. Okay, it is understood as a base e, minus 1 divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. 1 plus log x the whole square plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. You will get dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square. Okay, log x upon 1 plus log x the whole square. Answer is option B. Yeah, answer is option B. Just use the quotient rule, you will get answer B. This is actually NCERT exemplar exercise question. Okay, question number 39. Alright, now listen. Y is equal to tan inverse of. Okay, I just write this in order, guys. Sine plus cos. I'm going to write this as cos plus sine. Both the same now. Divided by cos minus sine. cos minus sine, and then right, any relation between cos plus sine and cos minus sine. Yeah, Advait, I am from Bangalore, man. I am from Karnataka only. Cos plus sine upon cos minus sine, guys. Right, Amok Shetty, good morning. Any relation between cos and sine, guys, you should divide the numerator, right, and denominator by cos x. Right, I repeat myself, guys. Any relation between cos and cos minus sine, you should divide numerator and denominator by cos x. So this becomes y equal to tan inverse of, if I divide by cos, you get this is 1 plus tan. You get this is 1 plus tan upon 1 minus tan. 1 minus tan x. Is it okay? Now that's equal to y is equal to tan inverse of, right? That's a formula, right? 1 plus tan by 1 minus tan will be equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x. Cos plus sine, cos minus sine, 1 plus tan by 1 minus tan will be equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x. Isn't it, guys? Yeah. 1 plus tan by 1 minus tan is tan pi by 4 plus x. That's a formula, na? Let me write the formula here, guys. This is 11th standard formula, first PUC formula. 1 plus tan by 1 minus tan will be equal to tan pi by 4 plus x. Okay, and similarly 1 minus tan upon 1 plus tan. 1 minus tan upon 1 plus tan will be equal to tan pi by 4 plus x. 1 minus tan upon 1 plus tan will be equal to tan pi by 4 minus x. That's the first PUC formula, 11th standard class 11 formula. So this becomes y is equal to tan inverse of tan x is x. You will get pi by 4 plus x. Right, now if I differentiate dy by dx is equal to pi upon 4 is a constant, because so it's 0. Differentiation of x is 1. Answer will be equal to option D. Right, you have this question in inverse trigonometry also. Write the following in simplest form. Cos plus sine upon cos minus sine. Write the following in simplest form. Same question they simulated and they gave in KCET. They are asking to find what is dy by dx. So differentiate, you get 1. Up to here you do in NCERT, guys. Up to here you've done in NCERT inverse trigonometry. Write the following in simplest form. Up to here you've done in NCERT only. Extra you should differentiate and take the answer. Let's move to the next question. I'm supposed to find the value of a so that the function is continuous. Alright, so if it is continuous, no need to use that board method. Directly you can do this, guys. So less than 1 is left hand limit and more than 1 is right hand limit. You understand? So it's already continuous, right? If it's already continuous, then obviously LHL is equal to RHL. This is already given. This is given in the question only. It's continuous. So this condition is given in the problem. Less than 1 is left hand limit. You take 1 and substitute here. You will get 1 plus 1. Okay, and you take 1 and substitute here. You will get this is 3 minus a. So you get 2 is equal to 3 minus a. Shift on the left side, a is equal to 3 minus 2. Okay, so the value of a will be equal to 1. I want only option in the exam, so no need board method and all. Answer option B. So just substitute left hand limit, right hand limit, guys. Simplify, you get the value of a. Right, let's move to the next question. Yeah, now follow carefully. Alright, see, let me tell you the shortcut for this, guys. This is asked thrice in CET, KCET. Okay, very important. Just note this. What I'll do is, when you have suppose y is equal to root fx, y is equal to root fx plus root fx plus root fx and so on up to infinity. Root fx and so on up to infinity. then dy by dx is always equal to f dash of x divided by 2y minus 1. This is called differentiation of infinite series. F dash of x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, now this will be the shortcut, guys. For example, right, so listen, y is equal to, suppose you have root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x and so on up to infinity then dy by dx will be equal to, denominator will be 2y minus 1, this will be there, you understand? So shortcut is f dash of x divided by 2y minus 1, no, this is f, if this is f, this is sin, so differentiation of sin x is cos x, so answer is cos x divided by 2y minus 1. Hope you understood, guys. Okay, now let's say if you have like this, now I give you another example. Now listen, y is equal to root tan x. This is asked thrice in CET. I repeat myself. Suppose if you have y is equal to root tan x, y is equal to root of tan x, y equal to root tan x plus root tan x, okay, plus root tan x plus root of tan x and so on up to infinity. Let's say if you have like this, so on up to infinity, then dy by dx will be equal to, the 2y minus 1 will be there. You understand? This 2y minus 1 will be there. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So answer is sec square x upon 2y minus 1. Hope this is clear, guys. Everybody on the platform. Yeah. So same logic. Advait. Yeah, you got the trick now. Dy by dx is equal to, denominator 2y minus 1 will be there. So 2y minus 1 will be there. Differentiation of x is 1. You understand? So you get 1 divided by 2y minus 1d. Understand? Good shortcut, right? Oh, there's something blocking here. Okay, that screen is blocking, guys. I will write here once again. So that's equal to dy by dx. So this implies that if I want to differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to, right, differentiation of sec x is tan x is sec square x upon 2y minus 1. That's the final answer. That's called differentiation of infinite series. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Yeah, sec square x upon 2y minus 1. Yeah, correct. Alright, now listen, even this is a standard form. This is KCET 2019 question, guys. Okay, KCET 2019 question. Alright, now listen. How will I crack this question, guys? X to the power of half, y to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to x plus y whole to the power of 5 upon 6. You understand? 6th root of x plus y whole power 5. So x plus y whole power 6. Okay, now note this. This is standard NCERT exemplar result. Okay, this is standard. It's a standard differentiation result, standard result. You understand? Which is there in exemplar. CBSE quiz students, you will get this question for 4 marks. It's a standard question repeated so many times in Delhi paper, foreign paper, all India paper. When you have suppose x to the power of m into y to the power of n is equal to x plus y whole to the power of n plus n. X power m y power n is equal to x plus y whole power m plus n, right? Then dy by dx is always equal to y by x. That's a standard result, guys. I repeat myself. When you have suppose x to the power of alpha y power beta is equal to x plus y whole to the power of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, dy by dx will always be equal to y by x. Okay, and then x to the power of a and y power b is equal to x plus y whole to the power of a plus b. Then still you get dy by dx is equal to y upon x only. Did you understand, guys? Everybody on the platform are able to understand? So basically x power constant, y power constant is equal to x plus y whole power sum of constants. You get dy by dx is equal to y upon x only. So if I use this result, guys, or use any one of the results, no problem. You will get dy by dx is equal to y by x only. So it is the same form. Yes, it's the same form. Yes, because 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 6. So that's of the form x power. Yeah, divided by, yes, divided by y by x. So x plus y whole power y by x. So you will get dy by dx is equal to, yeah, that is divided by only, na? The dy by dx is equal to, this is y upon x only, guys. This is y upon x only. So if I differentiate this, right, dy by dx is equal to y by x. You want the normal method, take log on both the sides, use all these properties, do the postmortem and get the answer. Dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Answer is option B. Listen, it was asked in KCET 2019 question. You still get dy by dx is y by x only. Yeah, y upon x, yes. Okay, so let's do one more question. Right now, so epoxy X denotes. Let's do last question for the thing, guys. Okay, and then we will wind up this. Now, y is equal to x minus box x. Y is equal to x minus box x minus cos x. Right now, if we differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of box is 0 because it is constant, or at x is equal to pi by 2, 3.1416 na? 3.1416, box of pi by 2 should be 0 only. Box of pi by 2 should be equal to 0 only, or you differentiate, it will be 0. 3.1416 upon 2, no, it won't be 0, it will be 1. This should be 1. Anyways, you get a constant, guys. Box of pi by 2 should be 1. Yeah. If you differentiate, anyways, pi by 2 is a constant. Right. Anyways, let me write here. Box of pi by 2, 3.1416 upon 2 will be equal to 1. Right. Anyways, you differentiate, it will be 0 only. You understand? Differentiation of cos x is minus cos x is plus sin x. Okay. And now dy by dx when x is equal to pi by 2. Or you get f dash of pi by 2 will be equal to 1 plus sine of pi by 2, guys. Sine pi by 2, right? Sine 90 is 1, you will get this is 2, right? Answer will be equal to D. So let me remind you about once again about the Unacademy Plus subscription, guys. Let me remind you just about the Unacademy Plus subscription once again before I wind up, right? If you're looking for via the Unacademy Plus subscription, guys, these are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. For 12 months, that is 1 year, it will be 12375, so 1031 per month. Alright, enter this referral code, guys, you get 10% discount. And for 6 months, it's 10125, that is 1688 per month, and per month 2250. You get you enter this referral code, you get 10% discount, guys. You get all this premium content at affordable price, structured live courses, plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, full length mock, single subscription, unlimited access. This is my referral code, guys. Please refer your friends as well. So if you like watch my if you like my class, guys, okay, please like and share my videos, guys. If you're new here, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. Right? To attend all my free live classes. Alright, to attend my free live classes and plus classes, guys, on Unacademy platform. Alright, check the description box below. There's a link there. If you touch there, you can attend my classes, free live classes, and watch my free live classes and plus classes as well. Alright, Advait, see, listen, if you want ranking less, so people are texting me, guys, from, I hardly find time during my classes, people interrupt me. So guys, sorry, I couldn't revert you at that time. Alright, let me tell you, guys, if you're looking for the ranking less than 50, or like looking for the ranking less than 100, guys, top 50 or top 100, whatever it may be, guys, you need to work hard a lot, right? Advait, be good. Yeah, there will be mock test also. Yeah, Advait test series will be there. You understand? See, full length mock will be there. Whatever you have, all subject full length mock will be there in the subscription. Right. So guys, so people ask me usually which textbook to refer, what should I do, how will I prepare for KCET and all. Guys, first of all, be good in NCRT. Be Advait, your basics should be damn good, man. Prepare the basics properly. You understand? Your entire NCRT plus the NCRT exemplar basics should be good. And apart from this, that requires a lot of practice. Solve more MCQs. CET questions won't be very high like JEE main questions and all, JEE mains and advanced level. Alright, but good questions would be asked. When you take previous KCET questions, some questions would be very good. Even then people get 1 lakh ranking, 90,000 ranking and all. If you don't, guesswork is not going to work out, guys. Only out of 4 options you cannot just go and do the guesswork, no. Only one is correct. Probability is 1 by 4. Only 0.25% chances that your option will be right. If anybody random makes a guess, probability is 1 by 4 only. So that the questions might reduce Advait. This is not confirmed, but there's a talk to questions. Can I start from now? Yeah, you can start. It's never too late, guys. You can start from today only, Advait, but you need to work hard, guys. Anybody coming to 11, 12 should work hard. Alright, so my next class will be Advait. My next class will be on 17th of this month, 11 a.m. in the morning. Guess you should never make a guess. No, 4 options are there. You should never make a guess. Work hard. Solve more MCQs. Take up more test series, full length mock. You'll stand self-analysis. Only then you can come to know where you stand, guys. So Advait, we will continue next class, guys. So please follow me in the Unacademy app as well. Alright, you get a live, you get notifications of all my classes as well for Unacademy free live classes. Right, follow me there. We do in detail. We do all the MCQs and plus the other questions in detail, including the exemplar and the good questions in detail, all the chapters. Alright, even the plus we do in detail along with all this which is mentioned just now described. Right, so Prashant, Prashant, there's a talk, guys. Yeah, reduction news. Yes, guys. People texting. Yeah, it's not confirmed, but people are looking for that. Karnataka board is still working on that reduction of syllabus. They might reduce the syllabus, but KCET nothing. Competitive exams they will not reduce. So better prepare everything. Yeah. Is it okay? Is free class enough? Advait, if you take a subscription, you study in detail, no? You have plus doubt clearing sessions as well, quizzes as well, full length mock papers as well. Alright, try a subscription, no? Take a 1 or 2 month subscription and try. But I am damn sure that you will be happy. So okay, I'm damn sure that you will be happy, man. Don't do the so many, you take a subscription, you study in detail, no? Everything will be done in detail. Okay, guys. So meet up. I'll meet up you on 17th of this month, guys. 11 a.m. in the morning. Take care, guys. God bless you. Work hard. You understand? So once again, guys, watch, like, and share my video. All right. Take care, guys. Bye. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day, guys.